In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS as a virtual camera. This is a quick and useful setup if you want Zoom to display your OBS output instead of your regular webcam. It's especially helpful if you want to show a custom scene, add overlays, switch between sources, or create a more polished on-camera look for meetings, webinars, or presentations. To get started, open Zoom and wait for the home screen to load. Once you're on the main screen, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select Settings. A settings pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll manage your camera preferences. In the settings window, look at the panel on the left side and click Video and Effects. After that, make sure you're on the Video tab. This section controls which camera Zoom uses during your calls and previews. Now in the Video section, find the camera drop-down menu. This is the setting that tells Zoom which video source to display. Click the drop-down field next to camera, and from the list of available devices, choose OBS Virtual Camera. Once you select OBS Virtual Camera, Zoom will switch from your standard webcam input to the video feed coming from OBS. If OBS is already set up and running with the scene you want, you should see that feed appear in Zoom's camera preview area. This is a good time to confirm that everything looks the way you expect before joining a meeting. If you don't immediately see the OBS feed, make sure OBS is open and that the virtual camera is active there. Also double-check that the correct scene is visible in OBS, since whatever OBS is outputting is what Zoom will use as your camera source. And that's it. Zoom is now set to use OBS as your virtual camera. From here, whenever you join a meeting, Zoom can use your OBS video feed instead of your physical camera, giving you much more control over how you appear on screen. This can make a big difference if you want cleaner visuals, branded layouts, or the ability to share multiple sources in a more professional format. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to use OBS as a virtual camera.